Hello kids, today we will learn about English. This is your English activity book A. Page number is draw an object with the given letter. R for rose, P for pencil, N for net and O for orange. Draw an object given the letter. Okay. Next page number is 35. Letter is S. This is capital S and this is small s. Color the pictures that begin with letter S. S for sun. S for soap. Color the pictures. Next letter is T. This is capital T and this is small t. T for tomato. T for top. Color the pictures. Next letter is U. This is capital U and this is small u. Put a tick below the pictures that begin with letter U. U for umbrella, U for umpire. Next letter is V. This is capital V and this is small v. Put a tick below the pictures that begin with letter V. V for van and V for vegetable. Next page number is 37. Next letter is W. This is capital W and this is small w. Put a tick cross below pictures that do not begin with letter W. This is pictures not begin with W and these pictures not begin with letter W. Next letter is X. This is capital X and this is small x. Put a cross below the pictures that do not begin with letter X. These pictures do not begin with letter X and this picture do not begin with letter X. Next page number is 38. Next letter is Y. This is capital Y and this is small y. Write Y below the pictures that begin with letter Y. Y for yo-yo and Y for yacht. Next letter is Z. This is capital Z and this is small z. Next letter is Z. This is capital Z and this is small z. Write a Z below the pictures that begin with letter Z for zip and Z for zebra. Next page number is 39. Write the correct letter. Zebra. Z for zebra. Yo-yo. Y for yo-yo. Tiger. T for tiger. T for tiger. Sun. S for sun. Van. V for van. Watch. W for watch. Next page number is 40. Match the picture. Soap. S for soap. Window. W for window. Tiger. T for tiger. Yacht. Y for yacht. Umbrella. U for umbrella. Vegetable. V for vegetable. Next page number is 41. Circle the correct letter. W. Van. V for van. Toothbrush. T for toothbrush. Socks. S for socks. Zebra. Z for zebra. Umpire. U for umpire. Next page number is 42. Match the capital letters to the small letters. This is capital letters and this is small letters. This is capital V and this is small v. Match the letter. This is capital Y and this is small y. This is capital S and this is small s. This is capital U and this is small u. This is capital T and this is small t. This is capital W and this is small w. Next page number is 43. Circle the pictures that begins with the letter in each row. X. X for X-ray. X for Christmas tree. Circle the begin with letter X. Next letter is V. V for van and V for vegetable. Circle van and circle vegetable. Next letter is S. S for soap and S for socks. Next letter is Y. Y begin with Y for yellow and Y for yo-yo. Next letter is W. W for window and W for watch. Z. Z for zip and Z for zebra. Next page number is 44. Color the picture that begins with letter in each row. First row, first letter is V. V for violin and V for van. Color the violin and color the van. Next letter is T. T for tiger. Color the tiger and color the tomato. T for tomato. Next letter is W. W for whistle and W for watermelon. Color the whistle and watermelon. Next letter is S. S for soap and S for sun. Color the soap and color the sun. Next letter is Z. Z for zebra. Color the zebra and color the zip. Z for zip. Next letter is U. U for umbrella and U for color the next page number is 45. Write the letters that comes before, after and in between. First we will write before comes before. First letter is V. V comes before is U. Next letter is T. T comes before E is yes. Next letter is Z. Z comes before is Y. Next letter is X. X come before is W. Next is after. Comes after. First letter is V. V comes after is W. Next letter is Y. Y comes after is Z. Yes, next letter is yes. Yes, after come T. Next letter is X. X comes after Y. Next is in between T U V. Next is X Y Z. Next letter is U V W. And next is S T U. Next page number is 46. Draw an object with the given letter. Y. This is capital Y and this is small y. Y for yo-yo. Next letter is V. This is capital V and this is small v. V for van. Next is T. This is capital T and this is small t. T for top. Next letter is S. This is capital S and this is small s. S for sun. Draw an object with given letter. Okay. Thank you.